Hi, and welcome to Tax Tip of the Week. Today we're talking about why it's important to talk about tax technology and looking into the trends that we have been talking about the last few weeks. So when we're looking at tax and the future of tax, we see that there is a digital transformation of tax going on. So something big is happening. And that something big can be put into three boxes. One being the regulatory changes that requires reporting solutions. So there is a need for you to be ready to support the change requirements from all business authorities. That could be something like SAFT in countries like Norway, Poland, Angola, SII in Spain, or making tax digital in the UK, or similar reporting requirements that is across the world. We also see a need for more digital transformation. So there's a bigger need for global tax solutions. That comes with something like the finance transformations on S/4HANA, new ERP implementations like Oracle and S4, of course. It could be blockchain or artificial intelligence. And it all can come back to, say, you start your digital transformation with, for instance, robotic process automation or optimizing your Excel spreadsheets to be more macro-enabled and to support your everyday much, much better. So the digital transformation is also calling for more tax use and technology use within the tax function. And then lastly, there's a third leg that is called discussions on responsible tax that is asking for further transparency. So we see that more and more authorities, NGOs, companies, and the market is asking for this transparency. And we've heard that with the Global Reporting Initiative 207 from Helena Barton. We have seen the digital services tax from Frankie Gell. We have heard about effective tax reporting with Bart Jansen, on the S/4HANA debriefs with Jens Skuldfeldt, with the operating models and the Who is Your Stakeholders by Andy Gwither and Martin Rabenort, and a lot of speakers this year in our Tax Tip of the Week. But really, the discussions on responsible tax is also one area where it's important for you as companies to really focus on having the right tax control framework in place, making sure that you have a tax strategy available, but also that your operating models are linking to the remaining part of your operation and to your overall strategy. So overall, three legs, like regulatory changes that is requiring new reporting solutions, new setups, new data, the digital transformation where you're bringing in new technologies, you're looking at the future and linking much better with the finance organization. And finally, the discussion on responsible tax is leading you to take a more strategic decision on what does tax mean to you and your business. Thank you all for tuning into this Tax Tip of the Week. We look forward to serve you the next Tax Tip next week. Thank you.